Picture this. Your gums have started pulling back from your teeth. A dentist visit feels expensive and inconvenient. And then an ad for Evolvion GumRevive shows up promising to address the problem without a scalpel or a specialist. That's the scenario this product is built to speak to, and it's worth understanding why that pitch is so effective before deciding whether to buy in. GumRevive is marketed as a solution for gum health, positioned somewhere between a supplement and a cosmetic fix. And the promise of avoiding a trip to a periodontist is genuinely appealing to a lot of people who've been quoted uncomfortable. Prices for gum grafts or deep cleanings. The problem is that gum recession is a structural issue, and mainstream dentistry doesn't currently recognize an over-the-counter product that reliably regrows lost gum tissue. That doesn't mean every ingredient in a formula like this is useless. Some can support oral health in smaller ways, but it does mean the specific claim of reversing recession deserves real skepticism rather than hope. I wasn't able to find independent verification of what's actually in Evolvion GumRevive, who manufactures it, or any dental professionals weighing in on its formula, which makes it hard to separate the marketing from the reality. There's also no way for me to confirm pricing, shipping practices, or what happens if you want your money back, since that information isn't something I can verify from outside the company's own claims. None of this proves GumRevive is fraudulent. It's entirely possible the company sells a legitimate oral care product with an overstated pitch, which happens constantly in this space. But given that gum health touches on real dental risk, this isn't a category where I'd recommend trusting marketing copy over a dentist's opinion. If your gums are receding, the safest first move is still a professional evaluation, and if you want to try GumRevive afterward, at least you'll know what you're actually dealing with before you spend money hoping it fixes something a dentist should be looking.